Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, answering a question that you have left me. Well, this is a throttle body. It is also called a butterfly valve. When this part fails in gasoline vehicles, the main symptoms they are, good, you will find that the idle is unstable, that the car simply does not run, or that it runs badly, it jerks, or you step on it, you accelerate it and you cannot go up 3,000 laps. Well, there the failure can come from this piece. And why are they damaged? Because the electronics fail and it does not allow the plate to open. This circular plate does not allow it to open, or because soot tenders it that it is sometimes obstructed. If it is obstructed, it is disassembled, cleaned and reinstalled in the engine. I have seen this. Up to the top of soot that is blocked. Sometimes it can be blocked closed and other times blocked half open. That is why the vehicle does not go, because the AQ needs to know the amount of air that enters through this valve to add the fuel, so that the mixture is an optimal mixture. Okay, as I say, if you have the vehicle, those of you who have gasoline vehicles, well, in the old ones, the old ones, many that you will have seen, they are the ones that carry the cable that goes to the accelerator. You step more and it opens, you step less and it closes. Okay. Well, as I said, those are the main symptoms that this piece has of failure. Well, I hope the video shows you has served, and if so, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.